Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my updated curly hair routine. I haven't done one of these videos in a while and some things have definitely changed up from my last curly hair routine video on this channel. My hair's length has changed, the products I use have changed, and even my techniques are different. So in this video, I will be walking you guys through my updated curly hair routine. Remember in my last video when I talked about inviting you guys to my shower? Well, get ready to get wet. The majority of my curly hair routine takes place in the shower. I start by thoroughly rinsing my hair to get it ready for the wash. Once my hair has been rinsed, I go in with a cleanser, and I love the DevaCurl Decadence No Poo. Like, it's literally my favorite. Here and there when my hair is feeling like it really needs a good cleanse, I'll go ahead and use the shampoo, but almost always I'm using the Decadence No Poo. It gets the job done and it keeps my hair feeling nice and clean. Oh, and it smells really good. If you're gonna be a favorite, you have to smell really good. So I work the No Poo in my hair, and I specifically make sure that I'm getting my scalp like really good, really good. And then once I've gotten it all over my head, I go ahead and rinse it out. Then I normally skip conditioner and I just go straight for the deep conditioner. We are just going right up in there. Now I love the DevaCurl deep conditioners. I mean, like, all of them. The Heaven and Hair, the Melt into Moisture, and the Deep Sea Repair. I love them all. I'm literally like always rotating between those three. Like, I don't even give anybody else a try. Like, those three are the ones that I'm always using. And to be honest, I feel like those deep conditioners and like rotating between them are the reason why my hair has been growing like wildfire. For this wash, I decided to use the Melt into Moisture because my hair was just feeling really dry and like it needed a little sippy sip, like a little drink, a little hydration. Deep conditioners don't normally have a ton of slip. That's normally what the conditioner is for, but I normally skip the conditioner and go straight to the deep conditioner. So here's a little trick. When you're using deep conditioner and trying to detangle your hair, add more water to the detangling process, and that normally makes detangling a breeze. I also slightly tug my hair, like not like pulling that on my scalp, but just like stretching it, because the more stretched my hair is, I find that it's easier to detangle. As you've noticed, I finger detangle because the tools just don't be working for me. As my hair is getting longer, detangling is becoming more and more of a task. And so sometimes periodically while I'm detangling with the deep conditioner in my hair, I'll go ahead and section or separate my hair just to make the detangling process a tad bit easier. Once I've got the deep conditioner distributed throughout my hair, I'll go ahead and turn the heat in the shower up, and I'll go ahead and do my regular shower. So, you know, washing up, brushing my teeth, washing my face, doing all of that. The extra steam helps to lift your hair's cuticle to allow the deep conditioner to deeply penetrate your hair. I like to take really long showers, so this works out for me, but if you're not a long showerer, if that's a word, that's me. If you're not a long showerer, then you can put a plastic bag on your head and leave it on for 20 minutes. Your body heat that comes from your scalp will do the same as the steam in the shower would. And I have a video on this channel all about deep conditioning, so you can find out more there. Once I finish my shower, I turn the water onto really cold water, and then I rinse the deep conditioner out, and like you can see, I try to like keep it off of my body because it'd be cold. It'd be cold, but it's so worth it. So I'll rinse my hair in the cold water to rinse the deep conditioner out. And what that does is it shocks your hair's cuticle, seals in that deep moisture. We getting deep. Then with my hair drippy, soaky wet, that's gonna be a new word on this channel, I add my leave-in. I find that when you add leave-in when your hair is drippy, soaky wet, it has a lot of benefits. You don't have to use as much of the leave-in. Your products mix better with your other products. It's just great. My favorite leave-in is the Hairdo from Oyin Handmade, but I ran out of it, so I had to use my second favorite leave-in, which is the Not Your Mother's Kinky Moves leave-in conditioner. As you know, I got the moves, but they not kinky though. They not kinky. So I add it to my hair, and then I put my hair in a pineapple. I know, that's crazy, right? I could never do a pineapple before. My hair has been growing like a wildfire. So I put my hair in a pineapple to get it out of the way, and then I get out of the shower. Putting it in the pineapple helps to keep it from getting dry so fast, and it also lets you put on a freaking shirt when you get out of the shower so that you don't get the neck of your shirt wet when you're putting your freaking shirt on. That's the most annoying thing in the world. If we're being honest, that's the real reason why you put it in a pineapple. The next step is my favorite step. Gel. You already know what my holy grail is. You don't even gotta guess what gel I'm in. No, but you guys know my holy grail gel is the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. You guys know that's my favorite. I made a whole video about it. In my opinion, the Kinky Curly Curling Custard is the #1 gel out there, and nothing beats it for me. So I take my hair section by section, starting from the back, and I start the styling process. When I use the gel, I like to scoop the gel into my hand, and then I like to add water to it, whether it be running it under a sink or using a spray bottle to spray water on the actual gel that's in my hand. I really like to add water to it because I find that it helps my curls clump really, really nicely. Like, I really love the way my curls clump when I add water to the gel. Once I've added the water to the gel and I've mixed it up in my hands, I like to glide it over my hair first and then work the gel in with my fingers by like raking the product in there. And if the curls aren't clumping the way I want them to, I'll add either more water or more gel. It sort of just takes some trial and error to figure out what balance is the best for you, but I'll either add more water or more gel to get that curl definition and that curl clumping that I know will give me a good wash and go. Oh, and I'm not shy with my gel, because whenever I do use a lot of gel on styling, my style normally lasts a lot longer. I apply my gel to get the curls popping, but then there's another step. So I used to get really frustrated when I would do my hair and then it would look nice for like 2-3 days, and then my hair would be like literally a big frizz ball. That used to frustrate me so much. I tried a system where I refresh my hair every single day, but that got old and it didn't really work for me because my hair would get very like build-up-y and gunky and nasty, and it just I didn't really feel for it. But then I tried this. I started to finger coil my ends, and voila, my beautiful curls stay with me for longer. My normal wash and goes normally lasted me like 2 days, maybe 3 days, but once I started coiling my ends, they literally last me for like 5 days up to a whole week, and sometimes even more. And I wanted to use this story to point out the fact that your curly hair journey is your journey. It's a journey. It should be a journey. And so it's going to take some trial and error to figure out what really works for you. So to recap, I work the gel in my hair and then I coil my ends because the ends are the part of your hair that tend to frizz up first. And so coiling them really helps to prevent it from frizzing. And the final step is, of course, those edges. The only product that seems to hold me down no matter what is my old-fashioned Eco Styler gel. Other gels are just too light and they only be lasting for like 20 minutes. My Eco Styler gel keeps my edges slaying all day. I apply some gel to my edges and then I use a comb to style them. Now I have edges tutorials on this channel, so if you would like in-depth details on how I do that, then go ahead and check one of those videos out. And then boom, that's it, my current curly hair routine. Now this is my day 2 hair. It normally looks a lot better than this, but I run 2 miles every morning, and yesterday Hurricane Florence was out there and she had it all humid and windy out there, and she kind of messed up my curls a little bit, but it's all right. I'm gonna forgive her. You know why? Because she decided to change directions, because you got out of my way, you know. You ain't trying to mess with my hair too much, not too much. I will have all the products I use in this video, as well as all of my favorite curly hair products linked down below so that you guys can check them out if you're interested. The link will bring you to my Amazon store, which I do collect a small commission from your purchases. And that's all I have for you today. I want to end this video by thanking you all so much for spending your time watching me, and I really hope this video was helpful. I upload videos to this channel every Tuesday and Friday, so I hope to see you again next week. And if you are in Hurricane Florence's path, please stay safe, stay hydrated, and the storm will be over before you know it. I appreciate you all for watching, and I will catch you guys next week.